that way, that way, that way. Flip over that way. On your side that way. Face the bush.
Yo, is Wendy too? I want to tell your lady to roll off her window. Because he's coughing this way.
Huh?
You might want to tell the lady in your car to roll off her window because my man is coughing this way.
Okay. Thanks.
Hey, do you have a mask inside your house?
Yeah.
Can you put one on him, please? Thanks. Can you mind putting it on him?
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
You gotta put it on, man.
You got to put it on. Yeah. I don't know what this clown has, but hey, man, put this mask on.
Which one?
The one your friend has. You guys are a pain in the ass.